Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio. Right now my portfolio is worth $112,771.50. In the past year, I am up $37,710.05. Year to date for the year 2024, I am up $20,584.74. Today was a red day for me. During the day, I was down $784.86. After hours, I am up $209.02. So overall, down about $500 today. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I am selling Amazon $185 covered calls. These expire October 18. My total return, $285. I have Amazon $140, $130 put credit spreads. These expire October 18. My total return, $38. I have Amazon $200, $210 call credit spreads. These expire October 18. My total return, $64. I'm selling Delta Airlines $49 covered calls. These expire October 18. My total return, $388. I'm selling Disney $95 covered calls. These expire October 18. My total return, $1,177.02. I'm selling SoFi $8 covered calls. These expire October 18. My total return, I am down $2,304. I'm selling Target $150 covered calls. These expire October 18. My total return, $25. I have Verizon $35, $33 put credit spreads. These expire December 20th. My total return, $1,303. I have Verizon $47, $49 call credit spreads. These expire December 20th. My total return, I am down $550. I have Disney $70 calls. These expire December 19th, 2025. My total return, $2,376. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $186.83. My average cost, $185.26. My total return, $471.33. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $8.64. My average cost, $5.71. My total return, $18,756.48. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $93.20. My average cost, $67.50. My total return, $10,280. I have 100 shares of Target. Target is at $156.92. My average cost, $154.50. My total return, $241.51. I have 400 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $50.01. My average cost, $50.73. My total return, I am down $287.96. This is a margin account. My margin total is $103,999.75. My margin used is $77,077.46. My options collateral is $12,000. This leaves me with $14,922.29 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. My buffer is $42,251. This is how much money I can lose before I get margin called. My annual interest rate is 6.05%. The daily interest that I'm paying is $12.79, and I'm borrowing $1,000 of margin interest free. So, not much happening today. Slightly red day, but, down less than 1% today, so it's not that big of a deal. A couple of notes here. I want to talk about give an update on the options expiring on the 18th. So right now it is the 10th, I believe. So there's 8 more days left till expiration. So the end of next week is when these expire. So a quick update. Amazon, $185 covered calls. Right now Amazon is at 186.5. So if it stays this way at expiration, my shares of Amazon will get called away, and then I'll make overall some profit from the covered calls. My Iron Condor, I want Amazon to stay between 140 and 200, which it is. It's at 186. I guess the only danger would be if Amazon were to go way up to like $200 per share, but we'll see what happens. Only one more week left to go, so should really not that much time. Delta Airlines, I chose strike price of $49. Right now it's at $50.01. So if it stays above $49 at expiration, I'll get my shares called away, and then I'll make overall some profit from the covered calls. Disney, strike price of $95. Right now it's below $95. It's at $93.20. If it stays below $95 at expiration, then I'll keep my shares of Disney and I'll make some money from the covered calls. SoFi, kind of unfortunate. I chose a strike price of $8, but SoFi is above $8 at $8.64. And this is a stock that I actually want to keep. So a little bit unfortunate that I chose a strike price that's, got blasted through. Like, I didn't expect it to jump up this high, but if it does stay above $8 at expiration, I'm going to roll this out definitely, because I want to keep my shares of SoFi. But that's the current status right now. Target, strike price 150. Right now it's above 150. It's at 156.97. So if it stays above 150 at expiration, I'll get my shares of Target called away, and then I'll make overall some profit from my covered calls. And that's pretty much it. I do have, around $15,000 worth of buying power that I haven't used yet. I'm kind of keeping it there just in case something happens or I come across some big opportunity, that I could take advantage of. But for now, it's just kind of sitting there. Yeah, there's really not much else to talk about. I don't know. There are some stocks I've been looking at to buy, 100 shares of to do covered calls on, but they're slightly out of my price range, considering my buying power is only, around 15,000. A lot of the stocks like Google is at 161, so it'll cost me more than what I have in buying power right now to buy 100 shares of that. Same thing with, where is it? Well, there's Waste Management. That's 210, so that's out of my price range. I believe Johnson & Johnson, yeah, 161, so that's out of my price range too. So there's a couple things I'm looking at, but they're like so slightly out of my buying power range. Either I'll have to add more money to my portfolio so that I can afford to buy 100 shares, or I'll just simply wait. I mean, a bunch of my positions expire at the end of next week, so once these are settled, I'll have more buying power, and then I'll decide what to do then. But for now, that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching this portfolio update. If you guys like what you see, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.